So 11th question, children. 11th question, he is saying that sum of n terms of AP is 4n minus n square. Sum of n terms. Okay. Sum of n terms is equal to 4n minus n square. What are the questions in that? What is the first term? And what is the sum of two terms? Questions. What is the second term? Find third, 10th term, third term, 10th term, and also nth term. These are the questions. Very, very important, children. Why it is very, very important? So many people, they get confusion between Sn and An. Previous sum we did An sum. There we directly substituted 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got AP and we did the sum. Directly in An, if you substitute 1, 2, 3, you'll get directly AP and you'll do the sum. That is An. But Sn is not like that, children. Sn is not like that. S1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. S2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. S3 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square, and so on. Please listen carefully, children. A and low, A1, A2, A3, if you put, directly you will get the equation, progression. But here you won't get directly, children. Please listen. Because this is An, this is Sn. 4 minus 1, 3. 8 minus 4, 4. 12 minus 9, 3. Okay, children? Okay, children? So, S1 is 3. S1 ante sum of one term, that is A1. S2 ante, all of you listen, S2 means sum of two terms, that is S2. So S2 means sum of two terms, A1 plus A2. A1 is already, we know, 3, no children, plus A2. So what is A2, children? 1. All will write directly 4 and they will start doing the sum. No. S2 means A1 plus A2. Okay, children. Now, for your clarification, S3. S3 means what, children? A1 plus A2 plus A3. Sum of S3 means sum of 3 terms, children. Sum of 3 terms, how much we got? 12 minus 9, 3 we got, 3. But A1 is how much, children? 3. A2 is how much, children? A2, 1. And what is A3? A3 is how much, children? So 3 is equal to 4 plus A3. A3 is equal to minus 1. A3 is equal to minus 1. Okay, children, now we are able to understand. So the first term was, children, first term was 3. Second term was 1. Third term was minus 1. And so on. This is the progression. Some people will think 3, 4, 3, this is the progression, and they will start doing. How come this is a progression, children? This is not a progression. This is S1. S1 means A1. Please remember. S2 means A1 plus A2. S3 means A1 plus A2 plus A3. Like that you should do, children. Once you get this progression, all these questions are very easy. Okay, children? Those who did not understand, I will say again, please concentrate. S1 means A1. S1 or A1 is same order. S2 means A1 plus A2. S3 means A1 plus A2 plus A3. S4 means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, like that. So A1 you found out, no? Then you find out A2. Then you find out A3. Then you create a progression. After creating a progression, this you write. Because we are getting confusion here, this question every year in board exam they are asking. Very, very important question. Very, very important question. I hope here everyone understood. I'm rubbing this part, children, and I'm explaining further. Okay, I'm explaining further. So please try to understand, children. So what was the progression we got? 3, 1, minus 1, and so on. So first question was A1. A1 is what, children? What is A1, children? A1 is nothing but 3 only. What is S2? What is S2, children? This is S2.
4.
Oh, S2 only, no? Yeah. What is S2? Sum of two terms. Sum of two terms. Sum of two terms means 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is how much, children? 4. What is A2? What is A2? 1. What is A3? Minus 1. What is A10? A10 means A plus 90. A is how much, children? 3 plus 9 into 1 minus 3 is how much, children?
Minus 54.
3 minus 18 minus 15 is 10th term. 10th term is minus 15. Okay, an. What is an, children? Nth term. A plus n minus 1 into t. Okay, children. An is equal to A is how much? 3 plus n minus 1 into d is how much, children? D is how much?
So 5 minus 2n.
Minus 2. So 3. This is minus 2n
5 minus 2n.
plus 2. 5 minus 2n is the nth term. 5 minus 2n is the nth term of the series. Okay, children? Whenever they ask nth term, don't substitute anything in it. This is the formula only for this sequence. This is the formula. This is the formula only for this sequence. This is how you are going to do 11th sum. 11th sum is very, very important sum in this lesson. In fact, in the whole chapter, 11th sum is very, very important. So S1 means A1, S2 means A1 plus A2, S3 means A1 plus A2 plus A3, and A1 you should find out, A2 you should find out, A3 you should find out. Once you get the progression, you will get A and B. Then afterwards you can do anything on the question. Okay, children? Now let's do 12th sum, children. I hope everyone understood. Now coming to 12th sum, children. 12th sum onwards all are normal sums only, but 11th sum is very, very important. 12th sum, all of you please go through, children. Once find the sum of first 40 integers divisible by 6. 40 integers divisible by 6. First term is 6, second term is 12, third term is 18, and so on. Sum of 40 terms. Sum of 40 terms is asking. S40. What is S40, children? N by 2 into 2a plus 40 minus 1 into d. Okay, children? 40 by 2 into, sorry. Yeah. 2 into a is how much, children? 6. Multiples of 600 kabatti, we will write 6 1 6, 6 to the 12, 6 a, so 39. The common difference is 6, no, children? Common difference is second minus first always. Common difference is this minus this. So 20 into 12 plus 6, 9 is 54, 6 3 is 18, 98, 234. Okay. So 20 into 246. 20 into 246. So that turns out 2 with the 12, 2 for the 8, 2 to the 4. 4920 is the sum of 40 multiples of AP. Sorry, 6. First 40 multiples of 6. 4920. Children, they may ask not only 6, they may ask 7 also. They may ask 8 also. They may ask 9 also. They may ask 10 also. Anything. But this is the procedure. If they ask 7, what you will take AP? 7, 14, 21, so on. If they ask 3, what you will take? 3, 6, 9, so on. Anything. If you know the question, you can do. 40 multiples of AP he asked us of 6. 40 multiples of 6. So I wrote 6 table and I did the sum. 4920 was the sum of first 40 multiples of 6. 4920 is the sum of first 40 multiples of 6. Writing correct statement is very, very important, my dear children. Okay. Hey, who is that? What is happening, Ray? Why you people will unmute yourself? All of you mute yourselves, children. We are teaching the sum. Next. 13th question. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Find sum of 15 multiples of 8. 8. 15 multiples of 8. First one is 8. Second one is 16. Third one is 24, and so on. Okay, children. First 15 multiples of 8 is asking. Multiples of 8 and 8. Previous sum was multiples of 6. This is multiples of 8. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, children. So 15 by 2 into, what was the first term, children? 8. 2 into 8 plus 8 minus 1. Common difference is how much, children? Always 8, because it is an 8 table, no? So 15 by 2 into 16 plus 7 8 is 56. Okay,
960, sir.
15 by 2 into
960.
Okay. 56 plus 16 is how much, children? 72. 72 means 36. Okay. 15 6 are 90, 15 3 are 45. 45 means 70, 36, 15 6 are 90, 15 3 are 45. 45 means 540 kadamma.
Sir, common difference 8 sir. కానీ n మీరు అక్కడ 8 తీసుకున్నారేంటి సార్ 15 తీసుకోవాలి
8 15
Yeah,
తీసుకోవాలి కదా
yeah,
సార్.
yeah. I did small mistake. Yes.
120 వస్తుంది సార్.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see here. 15 by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into common difference is 8. Okay, so 15 by 2 into 16 plus 14 into 8. 14 into 8. Okay, so 15 by 2 into 16 plus 8 4 is 32. 112. Okay, children. So 15 by 2 into 112 plus 16 128. Okay, 128 means 64. So 64 into 15. 15 4 is 60. 99 60 is the sum of 15 multiples of 8. Correct statement you should write. You have to block your answer, children. You have to put the answer. S8 S15 equal 960. Statement also you should write. If you don't write statement, marks cut, children. Okay. This is 13th question. Next, children, 14th question. Let's check 14th question. Arithmetic progression. 14th question. What is 14th question, children? Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Between 0 and 50, odd number starts from 1, next is 3, and last is 49. Okay, children, find the sum. So, find the sum means how many terms will be there, children? Half will be odd numbers, half will be even numbers. Compulsory it will be 25 terms, but directly if you say, they won't accept, children. You have to say, you have to do and show. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D.
625 sir.
Common difference is how much, children? 2. This comes here. 48 is equal to N minus 1 into 2. 2 comes here, children. 48 by 2, 24. N minus 1. 25 odd terms are there. Between 0 and 50, 25. Now find sum of 25 terms. Okay. N by 2 into A plus L I will use. Why? Because I have first term, and last term. One is first term, last term is 49. So S25 is equal to 25 by 2 into 1 plus 49. So 25 by 2 into 50. So 25 is a 625. 625 is the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. You must write that. You must write statement. Sum of odd numbers between, and you have to block 625. You have to block. Okay, children. Please copy down, children. I am saying as it is. Okay. So 15, 16, 17, 18. Last up to 18 we will do, and we'll stop, children, for today. 15 to 18. Last 4 sums. Okay. Next one. 15th question. Please, all of you, because it is a verbal sum, you have to go through twice or thrice, children, before answering. 15th question. There was a labor, children. There was a labor contractor. What happens if a person is one of his employees? If ever anyone is absent for 1 day, he will cut 200 rupees. If he is absent for second day, 250 rupees. And if he is absent for third day, he will cut 300 rupees. Like that, he will go on cutting for his employees. Okay. So daily he is increasing 50 rupees penalty cutting, children. How much money contractor has to pay if he has delayed the work for 30 days? If someone is delaying work for 30 days, how much penalty? So 30 days low, in how much will be the total he is asking? In 30 days, how much is the total? Sum of 30 days. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. You should understand, children. 30 by 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1. Common difference is how much, children? 50 rupees per day. Okay, 15 into 2 into 200, 400 plus 29 into 50. Okay, children, if a person delays 30 days, how much he has to cut? That is the question. 400 plus 5, 4, 5 to 1450. Please copy that, children. 15 into 1850. Okay, so how much is the answer? 15 5 is 75, 15 8 is 120, 127, 15 1 is 15, 27750. Children, for 30 days, he should cut this much amount. 27750 is the amount deducted. For 30 days delay of work. Compulsory, children. You have to write an answer. 30 days you should write, everything you should write, and you have to mention, children, compulsory. This is a verbal sum, very important. I hope every one of you understood. Anyone have any doubt? Please raise your answer, children. Anyone have any doubt? Let me know.
Sir,
Ama.
sir, 1 day ki 200, 2 days ki kalipi
No, no,
250,
no,
each
no,
day
no,
250. Yeah.
no, no. 1 day is 200. Okay. Second day he's cutting 250. Means 2 days 450. Third day if he's absent, it will become 300. So 3 days like that. First day is 200. Same fellow if he's delaying one more day, 450. If he's delaying one more day, 750. Like that he's cancelling. For the 1%. 1%. He gave some assignment to some labor nana. Overall price he's saying. Overall price. If the people delayed his work for 1 day, 200 rupees he will cut. 2 days, 250 rupees he will cut. 3 days, 300. Like that. Okay, children. This is first day. This is 2 days. This is 3 days. Addition. Every day is 50 rupees. He is increasing. So on the whole, if he delays for 30 days, that fellow in his whatever he get the amount, this much amount he will cut and he will give because he delayed for 30 days his assignment, his project or his work or whatever. Please go through next question, children, all of you. Please go through next question. 16th question also verbal sum, children. 16th question also verbal sum. Please go through the 16th question. There is a 700 rupees is there, children. This has to be given as cash prizes for 7 students. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students. Okay, with a difference of 20 rupees, with a difference of 20 rupees, 700 rupees has to be shared among 7 students as first prize, second prize, third prize, fourth prize, fifth prize, sixth prize, seventh prize, with a difference of 20 rupees. Okay, children? How do we do? Total is 700. It has to be shared among 7 students. So, difference is 20. Total is 700 rupees. It has to be shared among 7 students. What is the one prize value? 7 minus 1. Common difference is 20, he said. Okay, 7 into 100, 700, 200 is equal to 2a plus 6, 120. This comes here. 2a is equal to 80. Okay, a is equal to 40 rupees is the last price. 40 rupees is the last price, children. Next price will be 60. Next price will be 80. Next price will be 100. Next price will be 120. Next price will be 140. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next price will be 160. Next price will be 160. So first price is 160, children, and last price is 40 rupees. First price is 160 and last price is 40 rupees. No, sir, I want to get first price only. First means take minus 20 here. Then you will get first price first, children. If I took, see, children, like this means 20 rupees is the difference I took. So I got this. If I want first price to come first in my answer, then you have to take minus 20 because 140 minus 160 is minus 20. No problem, no, children. Anyway, so 7 students have to be given 700 rupees price in this following way. Last price is 40 rupees, then 60 rupees, then 80, 100, 120, 140. 160 rupees. Like this, they are going to give the price, cash prizes. I hope you are able to understand, children. Okay, children. Then next, 72 question, children. All of you, please read the question because it's a verbal sum. Copy down, children. Those who didn't copy, all the prizes, everything. 70th question, children. Window. 70th question. Please read the question, children. All of you. In a school days, first class is there, second class is there, third class is there, up to 12th class is there, children. All of them have A section, B section, C section. First class students planted 1 tree, 1 tree, 1 tree, total 3 trees. Second class students planted 2 tree, 2 tree, 2 tree, total 6 plants, I mean to say. Third class students, 3 plants, 3 plants, 3 plants, like that. How many children? 9. Like that, 12th class students, 12, 12, 12. How much children? 36 plants. Overall in the school, how many plants they have planted? So, sum of 12 classes. We have first one and we have last one and we have n also. So, find out n by 2 into a plus l, children. So 12 classes are there. First class students planted 3 plants, and 12th class students planted 36 plants. 2 6 6 into 39. 6 9s are 54. 6 3s are 18. 234 plants were put by all 12 classes students. Compulsory, you should mention the statement, children. Good statement indicates that you understood the sum. Like this, children. Okay. Okay, children. Last question for the day. 18th question, children. Very, very important sum. Please go through twice or thrice. Back figure is there. 18th question. Back figure is there in the textbook. Please go through, children. Back figure is there. Very, very important question, children. Very, very, very important question. Slowly, I will say, all of you copy down carefully. 18th sum, children. Very, very important. Spiral sum, famously called as spiral sum. Very important. Please check the figure, children. There are 13 spirals. You can see the figure, children. Back they have given like that in coil in the form of spring. There are 13 spirals. First spiral radius is 0.5 centimeters. Second spiral radius 1 centimeter, then 1.5, and so on. He's asking he's asking question, what is the sum of, please check what is the length of total spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircles. He's saying semicircle. Full circle means 2 pi r, children. Semicircle means pi r. So this is pi into 0.5. This is pi into 1. Pi r only I am taking, children, because semicircles he asked us. Semicircles. Pi into 1.5 and so on. Like that 13 are there. What is the total length of 13 semicircles? What is the total length of 13 semicircles? Please, children, you have to understand. 13 semicircles are there. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2a plus 13 minus 1, 12d. Please, children, please concentrate. 13 by 2 into 2 into a is how much, children? 0.5 pi. If you take directly this, children, bond case, be careful. 12 into d is how much, children? 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 only, 0.5 pi again. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 only, 0.5 pi. Okay. 13 by 2 into, please check, children, 2 into 0.5 is 1 pi plus 12 into 0.5 is 6 pi. Okay. 13 by 2 into 7 pi. 13 by 2 into 7 into 22 by 7. 7 7 cancel, 2 11s are 11 into 13 is 143 centimeters is the length of 143 centimeters is the length of 13 semicircular spirals. Like this you should do, children. Those who didn't understand, one radius they have given, second one radius they have given, third one radius. I converted into perimeters. Semicircle so pi r. Pi into 0.5, pi into 1, pi into 1.5, like that. So 13 semicirculars he asked. So 13 by 2 into 2a plus 12d. Okay, A is this one, children. D is this minus this. Don't take this, children. Take this. Don't take this. This you have to take. Okay. So A is 0.5 pi. D is 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 pi. Substitute, you'll get 143 centimeters is the total length of 13 semicircular spirals wound in the shape of coiled spring. Very, very important sum as a verbal. In verbal sums, this is very, very important sum, children. Because they asked for semicircles, I took pi r, not 2 pi r. I took pi r. Full circle means 2 pi r. He asked for semicircles in the question, checked. That's why I took pi r, children. Okay, now, children. Anyone have any doubt, children? Here. Anyone have any doubts? You can